To create a Skrill business account, follow these steps. Visit Skrill website. Go to the official Skrill website and navigate to the business section. Click on Open a business account. Look for the option to open a business account and click on it. Fill in business details. Provide your business information, including name, address, industry type, and contact details. Verify your identity. Skrill may require you to verify your identity and provide documentation to comply with regulatory requirements. Choose account type. Select the type of business account you want to create. Skrill offers various options depending on your business needs. Set up payment options. Configure your payment options. Skrill supports multiple payment methods, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and various e-wallets. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process and create your Skrill business account. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification link from Skrill and follow the instructions to verify your email address. Start using your account. Once your account is set up and verified, you can start using Skrill for business transactions and payments.